All right, well, earlier in the program, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Katy Wolff about different types of meat packaging, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little later this morning. And now Katy is back with the recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
I have to say, egg salad is probably one of my favorite foods.
Well, and with Easter coming up, you know, my children, they love to dye eggs, and of course that always leaves us with a plethora of hard-boiled eggs. So this is a great recipe to use up some of those eggs, and it's a delicious dish for the kids and mom and dad too.
Yeah, chicken salad, egg salad, you can't go wrong.
Cannot go wrong.
Where'd you get this recipe?
So this is a combination of recipes that I found online. I kind of tweaked it and made it my own.
Okay.
So what makes this special is that it has cream cheese and chives in it. So it gives it a little bit of zip and the fresh flavor from the chives. So it's a really unique flavor for egg salad.
And your family likes this one?
We love it, yeah.
Okay.
So we'll start with making our base. So we have a 1/4 cup of whipped cream cheese. You can use regular cream cheese and whip it, but I will say I've tried that, and you'll get much better results if you just spring for the whipped cream cheese.
It's a little lighter too, I feel.
It is, and that's what really helps with the texture of the sandwich at the end. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. For seasoning, we have salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then of course our chives. And I prefer fresh chives, but right now, since it's not garden season, I just have some in the cupboard that I dried from last year. And then we're also gonna add in, if you wanna keep mixing, we're gonna guess 2 teaspoons of mustard. And once you get your base mixed, you need 6 hard-boiled eggs. And I have a really great utensil at home that helps dice the eggs for me. It makes it go real quick. And then we'll just throw the eggs in on top and get them good and coated. I would recommend letting the salad rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour just to let the flavors really come together. And then you can serve on your favorite bread. We are big fans of sourdough in our house, but my favorite is to serve it on a croissant, which is what I brought with me today.
And you could probably add like some lettuce to this.
Absolutely. If you really want to go the extra mile, some crumbled bacon is delicious on top as well.
Oh, look at this. Look how great this looks. I'm going to cut off just a little bit here just to try. It's really good.
Yeah, so like I said, the fresh chives or dried, my chive plant is coming up in the garden, so I'm hoping by Easter that we'll be able to add the fresh chives in.
This is excellent, something like you get in a restaurant.
Thank you.
No, it's really good, Katy. All right, this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down, give it a try. Serve it for the spring season. Great, great dish. All right, thank you.
You're very